Hello everyone, my name is Sveta. Today we're going to draw a cow, a rooster, and a sheep. A cow is a huge, calm animal with a kind gaze and soft ears. It has a large body covered with short hair, often black and white or brown in color. Cows are very important to people. They give us milk, which we drink and use to make butter, cheese, and yogurt. Cows graze in meadows, mooing quietly and creating a cozy atmosphere of rural life. Their calm eyes reflect natural wisdom and a kind nature. Rooster is a bright and energetic bird with a lush crest on its head and long tail feathers that hang down like beautiful ribbons. It is famous for its loud cock-a-doodle-doo, which rings out in the morning and wakes everyone around. The rooster is an excellent guardian of the flock, snorting, singing excitedly, and standing out with its colorful plumage. He is confident and loves to be the center of attention. is a fluffy and cute creature with soft wool that seems very pleasant to the touch. Sheep have short legs and kind eyes that inspire trust and calm. They love to gather in flocks and graze gently, squinting in the sun. Sheep wool is used to make warm clothes and cozy blankets, and the sheep itself is a symbol of comfort, warmth, and the vulnerable beauty of nature.